Alright, so let me start off by explaining some of the features of the system. It basically allows mobs to have custom drops that can be attained when mob loot is picked up. This can be whatever you choose it to be, and it can also be randomized. Another nice thing is it's multiplayer compatible, and multiple versions can be running on the same world without any clash. Anyway, what we're looking at here is the redstone behind the demonstration clip. The way the system works is mobs are wearing buttons with custom data values on their heads. In order to set this up, type /give at p143 space 1 space 1, where the first integer is the ID of the wooden button, the first one is the amount of buttons you want, and the last number is the custom data value. If you want more than one of these systems, you're going to need each system to have a different data value. If this is sounding familiar, it's probably because it's the exact same technique I used in my previous video, so if you want a more in-depth explanation, check that out. Moving on, put the button in the 5th inventory slot of a chest where you want the mob to be, and then jump on over into Empty Edit. This is where you have to have the create gid mob filter installed, so if you need that, grab it from the video description. Select the chest and open up the filter. The one thing you need to worry about is making sure the head slot drop chance is set to 100%. Once you're done with that, run the filter, and remember from this point you can do whatever you want as far as customizing the mob goes, and if you wanted to start outlining some of those techniques, check out a video I made on my channel. But enough of that, head back into Minecraft and choose where you want to set up the redstone. The first thing you need to do is create a total kill count objective and call it something like kills. So, then create a simple redstone clock and have it constant trying to clear all the players of a button with the data value you gave the original button. Then run the signal out of that command block through a monosteel circuit and into some hopper dropper randomizers. Hook the output of these to some command blocks with the give command and you're practically done. All that's left to do really is discuss the give commands you want to use, as this is where the kills objective comes in a little handy. In the parameters section, make sure that it's only targeting the player with the minimum kills of 1, so that if there are multiple players it only rewards the one who got the kill. Then, in order to reset the system, have a small delay after the randomizers have been activated that sets all the players' skill back to 0. Anyhow, that's all you really need to do. However, I'm sure you might still be a little baffled, so then I'd suggest checking out my Ultimate Guide to Command Blocks playlist. It contains all the essentials, plus I'll soon be adding a whole bunch of stuff on how to use the advanced give command with coloured items and all the new exciting data tags in 1.7, and I'll also be going through the summon command. So, I hope you check that out, but that's all from me today, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.